Hey there. So I built something and I want to show it to you. Not just explain it, but live on call, show it to you on your machine. And here's the thing. You might know this. When you work with AI, with Claude or ChatGPT or whatever, unless you're in a project, and even there, it's all right. They're good helpers, but essentially, every time you start a new conversation, it's like working with a genius coworker that has amnesia. You need to fill them up with context and just help them get up to speed. And I got tired of it, and that's why I built Claudia here. Okay, you can check her out. She's actually out there in the open. But what Claudia does is she's sitting on top of Claude, and she gives it memory. And I'm not talking just about an MD file. I'm talking about a real local memory base that sits on your computer and is fed and vectorized with an AI that also sits local on your computer. Now, if that sounds a little bit too complicated for you, don't worry. You don't need to know all the details. But what she does is she's great at catching your commitments. She's tracking your relationships. She learns what matters to you. Okay, here are a couple of things that she does. You can learn about it. As you can see, I'm working on a page right now. I'm going to blow up her brain. And essentially, every morning, she can give you a morning brief, all right? Or she can spot your patterns. She tells you about your relationships with people because people equal personal and professional progress, all right? That's actually a lot of peace when I'm thinking about it. She gets smarter every day. All right. So I'm starting a small live session where we install her together. You, me, and your laptop. I walk you through every step, and by the end, you've got a working AI chief of staff on your machine. And look, if you're thinking, I'm not very technical, I don't know how to use all these things, great. Neither are most of the people that really get the most benefit from it. You don't need to code. All you need is 10 minutes of being slightly uncomfortable when it comes to a new screen before it clicks. All right? That's the whole barrier. And what you get on the other side of these 10 minutes is worth way more than the session itself. You learn how to set up an AI system for your own needs and how to fix it, how to improve it, how to increase its capabilities. And that's a skill that sticks around with you. This is not a polished demo. Stuff will break. And that's the point. We're building together. We're not watching. All right. So I got 10 spots left, $49 for the first round. It's a pilot price. It will go up after. And if you're a founding member of the AI Adopters Club, then reach out to me directly for a free seat. Links in the newsletter. Grab it. And I'm looking forward to see you. Take care.